Welcome to Kabir's Digital Skills. In our previous lesson, we took a tour of the Microsoft Word interface and got familiar with its main parts. Today, we'll focus on a section that plays a huge role in managing your documents, the File tab. Whenever you click the File tab, you enter what's called the Backstage View. Think of this as the control center for your files. Here, you can create, save, open, print, share, or adjust settings for your documents. Let's walk through the key options one by one. Save. This option stores your current document on your computer or chosen storage device. If it's your first time saving a new file, Word will ask you where you want to keep it and what you want to name it. Pro tip: use Ctrl+S often while working to make sure you never lose changes. Save as. Perfect for when you need to keep a separate version of your file. You can change the file name, location, or even format, for example, saving your Word file as a PDF. It's a safe way to make a copy without touching the original. Open. Use this to access a file you've already created, whether it's on your PC, a USB drive, or in the cloud. You can also search for files that aren't in your recent documents list. Close. This shuts the document you're working on but keeps Word itself open. If you have unsaved changes, Word will prompt you before closing so you don't lose work. Info. Here you can see useful document details, file size, author name, word count, and when it was last edited. It's also the place to protect your document with a password or limit who can make changes. Before sharing a file, you can even inspect it for hidden information. Recent. A quick access list of documents and folders you've worked on recently. It's much faster than browsing through your whole computer. New. Starts a fresh document. You can choose a blank page or pick from ready-made templates for resumes, reports, letters, and more. Print. Opens a preview so you can check how your document will look on paper. From here, you can pick the printer, set page orientation, choose the number of copies, and decide what pages to print. Shortcut. Ctrl+P. Save and send. Lets you save your work and send it straight from Word, for example, by email. You can also export as a PDF or save it to an online storage location. 10. Help. Need guidance? This section offers help articles, tutorials, and troubleshooting steps from Microsoft. You can also look for updates to keep Word running smoothly. Options. The place for customizing Word to fit your style. Here you can tweak how it looks, set language preferences, fine-tune proofing tools, and even assign your own keyboard shortcuts. Exit. Closes Microsoft Word completely, including all open files. Make sure everything's saved before you choose this. Wrapping up, that's your complete guide to the File tab in Microsoft Word. Once you're comfortable with these tools, managing documents becomes a whole lot faster and easier. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more practical MS Word lessons. Thanks for joining me. See you in the next tutorial.